Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this delicious chicken yakisoba. It's easy, just follow me. I'm using 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Cut about 1.5 to 2 inch long. Remove and discard the fat. Season it with kosher salt and black pepper. Stir them around and season the other side with kosher salt and black pepper as well. Okay, that looks good. Let's make sauce now. 3 tablespoons of Japanese Bulldog sauce. 5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and some sugar. Whisk them together, and that's the sauce. And of course, we need some veggies. I'm using 2 carrots. Peel and slice carrots. Carrot is done. Moving on to broccoli. I'm using 1 bunch of broccoli. Also, you can add any kind of veggies you want to use. Broccoli is done. And slice a half of 1 large onion. Okay, that's all the veggies I'm gonna need. And 1 pack of yakisoba noodle. They're kind of hard inside, so massage it before you open the pack. Then open the pack and take the noodle out. And separate the noodles. Okay, everything is ready. Let's get to cooking. Turn your stove on at medium-high heat and drizzle some cooking oil. Add the chicken into your pan. Cook chicken about 4 to 5 minutes. When there is almost no pink color outside of chicken, take chicken out, set aside. Discard the liquid and clean the pan with a paper towel. Turn your stove back on at medium-high heat and drizzle more cooking oil. Add all the veggies and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Sauté veggies about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the noodles. Turn your stove to low heat and stir noodle around with all the veggies. Add about 1/3 of sauce and stir it around. Now, we are going to add the chicken back to the pan, but only the meat, no liquid. Discard the liquid. Stir the chicken around with the veggies and noodle and pour the rest of the sauce. Now, turn your heat back to high and stir it around for a minute or 2 and turn the stove off. Don't forget to turn stove off. You don't want to overcook the chicken or the noodle. And chicken yakisoba is done. Easy, fast, but delicious. Let's try some. Put some on the plate, and don't forget the veggies and yummy chickens on top. That looks great. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.